Hello student, in this video we discuss how to create and how to edit a user in Google AdSense. So click on home icon. It is a home icon of Google AdSense, and scroll down and click on account setting. From here you see access and authorization. So click on this icon and click on user management. So the page is open, and this email is my admin email. You will see that the admin access will be given to this email address. So I have added and another user. So from this you will be from this area you enter the email address of your user and click on invite user. So I have added a user. So first I have entered the email of my user. The email address is nwpareshan@gmail.com. So I want to edit this user. So I have click on invite user, and the Google AdSense says that the invitation has been sent to this user, and you will see the status is pending. So I have opened on this email which I have sent to the Google AdSense invitation. So in incognito mode I have opened, and I have opened Gmail. Click on Gmail account. From here sign in. And from the concerned email I have login. Next. Enter password and click on next. So my Gmail is login, and the Google AdSense sent me an invitation. So click on this email address and visit this link, and also you click on this link. Click on link, and AdSense want to make access. So I another time sign in on this account to verify Google AdSense my email address. So click on next and enter your password. And thank you for joining AdSense. So AdSense verify my Google AdSense account. So I have come to my original Google AdSense account. Click on it. You see this status is pending. No, I verify this email address. So I have refreshed it, and you will see this will be active, inshallah. So the user and the status is active. You also gave this access to admin access. Mean that if you want to edit them into admin, so you click on that, it will be given to the admin access. And if you want to only that is a user to see the information, not to change any data, so you uncheck this, and from here you will be deleted this. So click on it and you will remove this, and the user will be removed. So in this video I have learned how to edit a user in your Google AdSense and how to remove a user. This is already this user you will be added for your Google AdSense, for your blog, or for your YouTube account. Thank you for watching this video.